Have you ever wished for a hassle-free solution to manage debris on your construction site? Well, look no further. Welcome to Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, where we specialize in making debris management a breeze with our top-notch roll-off dumpster rental in Baltimore County, Maryland. At Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, we understand that a clean and organized workspace is crucial for the success of any construction project. Our roll-off dumpsters are specifically designed to meet the needs of contractors in Baltimore County, providing a hassle-free solution for debris disposal. One of the critical advantages of choosing Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC is our diverse range of dumpster sizes. Whether you have a small renovation project or a large construction site, we have the perfect roll-off dumpster to meet your needs. Our commitment to excellence starts with our punctual drop-off and pick-up services, ensuring your project stays on track without any delays. But our commitment continues beyond dumpster rentals. We also offer concrete and dirt disposal services, providing a comprehensive solution for various project needs. Our dumpsters are engineered to handle materials commonly found on job sites, such as plastic, drywall, lumber, and tile. With Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, you can trust that your construction waste will be handled responsibly and efficiently. If you need a reliable partner for roll-off dumpster rental in Baltimore County, Maryland, look no further. Visit our website at www.trashpandadumpster.com or call 443-960-2108 to book your dumpster today. Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, your trusted choice for efficient and hassle-free debris management.